Good day YouTube, and welcome to Lagoon Customs and another episode of Start Working on Your Motorcycle. My name is Drew, and today we are going to change the grips on the handlebar of my Yamaha DT125. The reason why I want to change them is because the ones that are already on them are quite old and dirty. And I bought some really nice new grips from Gazzini, which I think will look way nicer than the ones that are on there right now. So let's have a look at what we'll need to do this change, which is very easy. Brake cleaner, a cutter, and of course the two new grips. So there's usually two ways you can do this. You either want to keep your old grips and try to get them off as smoothly as possible and don't break them, which usually works with some brake cleaner, which you spray into this part. Let's see whether I can get in with a flathead screwdriver and make some space. This could work. Let's see. Yeah, that helped. So I made some space here with the flathead screwdriver, sprayed in some brake cleaner, and look at this. I can just spin this out. Great. Now let's make sure we clean it before we put on the new grips. Again, I'm using brake cleaner. And method number two, as you can imagine, is just simply cut it off since I'm not gonna need it. Be careful when you cut it. You don't wanna cut anything else. And there we go. Clean it again. So let's have a look at the new grip. There's two different sizes. One is a little bit larger than the other, and the larger grip goes on the side where you have the gas throttle, and the other one goes where the clutch is. Some of you may use glue or hairspray, which I don't, because they're pretty snug and tight. So I'm just gonna push those in. It was very easy. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So as you can see, there is a small problem. It doesn't fit perfectly well. The grip is outstanding by about a centimeter from the handlebar, but we're gonna make it fit. What I'm gonna do is move the kill switch a bit further in, and to do so, I need to get rid of this protector. Okay, so just a few tries. We finally got the right Phillips screwdriver, and as you can see, moved it a little bit forward, and it fits like a glove. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Very easy, very fast. Doesn't need any special tools. And besides that, changing your grips can make your motorcycle look so much more nicer and more beautiful. It's one of those little things that gives it the extra touch. So I hope you have fun. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some feedback in the comments section. Let me know what you would like to see next. All right. Peace. Hello. Have you already subscribed? Huh? Leave a comment, tell me, and give also through a thumbs up, and see you next time. Huh? So long. Bye bye.